Good morning, traders, and welcome to another quick video chart presentation. I'm Stock Sumo, reporting with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and we're doing a quick update on Pazoo Inc., ticker symbol PZOO. Today's Friday, April the 10th, so happy Friday, traders. We're wrapping up another solid week with some awesome action in some of these stocks that we've been paying attention to, and Pazoo goes on the track record as one of our longer term stocks of interest, and it's been making a solid move this week. Earlier we put out a video chart talking about the 50-day moving average, and I wanted to do a follow-up because we maintained support above the 50 DMA just like we were looking for. So earlier this week I was talking about how we had gotten up above that 50-day moving average. Now it's sitting at 0076. Then it was at like 0078. So earlier this week we had this nice little move. We got above the 50-day moving average, and then yesterday, notice how we maintained above the 50-day moving average, and we extended the run above a penny at one point. So we were also looking at the MACD. We were looking for these lines to show some divergence. We're also getting that set up. So all in all, the chart on Pazoo has been rather strong. We've been following this one all along, and we're going to continue to monitor the activity here because we like what we're seeing very much so. Okay, so let's talk about support and resistance. Some of the key things that we like to talk about. I'm going to bring up this annotated chart. We'll make some markings on it. Notice this was prior support right here. I drew a line here back in the beginning of the year, January. The stock had consolidated and it bounced off of this level. Coincidentally, that was resistance yesterday. So often, prior resistance becomes future levels of support. So moving forward, we want to see this level break and that hold as our next support level. If we can get above the 011 range, that's going to be very strong. Also, we want to look for this previous resistance, which coincided with our which coincides with our 50-day moving average. We want to see this previous resistance right here hold as future support. So if we get any pullbacks, the stock dips, as long as we hold support at the 0075, 0078 range, then we're going to be sitting pretty for a rebound. As long as this previous resistance hold as our future level of support, then we're going to be looking good. We're also going to be looking for this previous support to be broken and act as future support. The next resistance after that is going to come right here at the tops of these candles, right around 014-ish, I'm going to say. So right now we got the RSI pointing north, looking good. That got back above 50, which I pointed out in the last video chart. We got our MACD showing some divergence, and we're seeing higher highs and higher lows, just like what we like to see here. Also, let's take a line and draw it from the top of these candles right here. If you take a line and you draw it to the tops of these candles, notice we're breaking above that line. We broke above that line yesterday. This is a reversal in progress. We reversed the downtrend. Okay, the tops of these candles were resistance points. Now that we're getting back above this trend line, we're reversing the trend. And notice we're making higher lows off of the bottom. And we're going to look to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. All in all, Pazoo has been a great performer, and we don't see the stock slowing down. The volume has been healthy. Like I said in the last video chart, that's the lifeblood of the stock. As long as the volume continues to stay strong, the stock should stay strong. Keep Pazoo on your radar, and be sure to stop by our blog, BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, because we're going to continue to monitor the situation and give you guys updates. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck out there.